Boom. Boom. What is up, guys? What's happening? So, today we got some cool things. My girlfriend and I. She doesn't really want to be on camera, so I'm gonna speak down. But we got ourselves fidget spinners. She is such a darling. That kind of failed the first few times. So yeah, ever since we got these, we've just been like watching movies and playing with these. And these have been distracting. But yeah, it has been really distracting. You know, I just thought of something. You could be like, you could look like oh, what's that? What's Santa Claus's reindeer's name? You know, Rudolph. That's it. You could like. Sorry for my weirdness, guys. Because I'm your boyfriend. Oh. Isn't boyfriend? Ain't boyfriend supposed to be weird? Comment down below if you think boyfriends are supposed to be weird to their girlfriends. I'm not weird. But she still loves me. No, we could try fly to the galaxy with these.
What the hell? What goes through your brain is like incredible.
You know, I might buy some more of these and do a giveaway. So if you guys want one, make sure that you guys
or you
let
could
me
just
know.
give them all to me. I'm kidding.
This one. But if you guys want one, just comment below your name. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and to everyone who subscribes, I'll give you one of these.
Oh, that's a bit generous. They need to do what?
They need to do what?
They need to do a competition.
A competition.
Yes.
And what would that competition be?
They have to be subscribed, and they have to comment down below
That you're amazing.
an awesome story about why you watch Daniel on YouTube.
Yes.
And why you follow. And the best 3, 4, I don't know how many he's doing. How many are you doing?
Should we start off with like the first best comment, and then with the second one and the third one?
So 3.
Yeah.
3 best. Okay, the 3 best comments wins an awesome thing.
It's
There you go.
it's called a
Fidget
fidget spinner.
Excuse me. You're in mine.
I think we
Right,
have these.
Sounds wrong. But anyway, it's also got a hand spinner.
Hand spinner.
Sounds even weirder.
That sounds wrong. We'll just keep it as fidget spinner.
You'll know.
Okay, so one of my last videos, I did something about the 40-hour famine, how my sister and I are going to be doing the 40-hour famine, and I got my lovely girlfriend supporting me through it.
Okay.
But the books have finally arrived with like some little bands that says World Vision. What? What's in my pocket? What if I want to play with it? But yeah, anyway guys, I have got the books, 18...
Shit.
Sorry, that was my bad. But 18 books for like people to use to get donations, or me. What are you doing?
Don't ask.
Don't ask.
No, I mean like.
She's just been herself.
I hurt myself. They can cause injuries, warning everyone.
They can even break. I had one at course, which is it wasn't even mine, so it made me feel even more worse. But I was playing with it. I was playing with it, and this person comes up to me and snatches it out of my hand.
Cool.
And she drops it into the drain, and like the bearings, these part here, they're called bearings, if you guys didn't know that. But one of these fell out and we couldn't find it, and it wouldn't spin like properly like that. We'll just go slow out like that. So make sure you don't lose the bearings. Okay.
If I do, you can buy me a new one.
I'm buying her a fancy one.
Ah, fancy.
A fancy one. It's like a galaxy. Well, it is a galaxy one. It's got a galaxy design on it.
Yeah. Shit. Don't ask.
What happened?
Nothing. Don't worry. I didn't break them, don't worry.
Anyway, I might end this.
No.
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 Man, I really I need my tripod.
Shit. I didn't go get it, you dipshit.
I'm gonna meet you guys upstairs to grab my tripod.
So why are you going upstairs?
Because that's where my tripod is.
Yeah, but what are you doing upstairs? Why don't you just sit down here and do it?
Good point. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, and now my girlfriend's having a debate about how I don't have a tripod.
Look at me.
Yeah, I know. Oh, I've actually ordered that one, the coloured one.
That's not a tripod. It's not. Look.
Okay, so she searched tripods, but like bras are suddenly popping up.
Ooh.
That's just strange. Can like somebody explain that to me? Like, why do you type out tripods and bras to suddenly pop up?
These bras are in a heart shape. Okay,
so apparently a bra will look sexy on me when I have no boobs.
You're a girl.
I've only got the hair.
Woo! Yeah, you need a haircut. Because I'm pretty sure people are starting to mistake you when you're in public.
When I'm in public.
They'll be like, oh, that's your sister.
No. No. Just get a haircut. Is that all you say?
Yeah, that's all I know. Normal people scare me.
Normal people?
I agree. Normal people scare me.
How do normal people scare you? Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Should we see how long I can leave it on? Yeah. Oh, magic. Oh, joke. Okay, this is back again.
Oh no, come on.
Now you just want it.
I can't spell.
That was good. Double. That's just like so cool. White and red, white and red.
Cool shirts. Cool shirts. Nat Queen. I don't know that. Cute, just like
Nat Queen.
Ooh, that's me, yeah.
Yeah. Wait, what?
Not cute, just psycho.
No, you're cute.
Ah! No, I'm
I
psycho.
feel like I'm in trouble now. I practically just called my girlfriend psycho.
Yeah. Bitch. Wait, are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
Shame. I
First
got
of all,
evidence.
no, second of all,
You called me a bitch.
you said me. Uh-huh.
You got a piece of hair on your phone.
by being sarcastic at the wrong time.
You'll definitely be what?
My death will probably be caused by being sarcastic at the wrong time. I agree.
Hey there, guys. Her death is going to be done by
Don't
sarcasm.
ask me about grades or college, job or relationship status or weight. Actually, just don't talk to me, okay? I want that one. Don't talk to me. Stress, less, and coffee obsessed. Okay, that's not.
Coffee!
But you're not stressed, so you don't have to.
Mm.
Sorry,
I can make myself stress.
Not what? You have nothing to stress me.
Good point.
Life isn't about finding your stuff. It's about finding pizza.
It's about finding pizza.
Not cute, just like
I love pizza.
Not funny. I'm just mean
Anyone
and
else?
people think I'm pretty sure this
Anyone
is
else?
good.
Yeah, I've seen that heaps of times.
It's awesome. I like it. You aspire, my
To be
inner
honest, whoever
serial
designed
killer.
these, I want to meet the person. I want to give him a big huge handshake.
I like these. The galaxy.
We should get that after we get the fidget spinner.
Ba, ba, ba.
Megan loves to be
You
spoiled.
flip the bitch switch. So buckle up and enjoy asshole. Oh my gosh, I need that. Did not prepare for the end of bitch switch.
Wait, this one's heavier.
No, that one is. The white one's heavier. Black is my happy color. Black is my color. Okay, let's search for someone else. What should I search? What do I want?
Me. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this here. Thank you for joining me and my beautiful girlfriend today with the fidget spinners. Fidget spinners. Thing. But anyway, I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys later on. Remember, stay strong, be happy. Love your girlfriend with so much love. If you guys don't have fun, then just hug yourself. Or keep playing with your fidget spinners.
What the fuck's wrong with you? It's mean. That's just so depressing. You're like forever alone. You're just putting it in the face.